Good morning children. Welcome to online classes. I will teach you mathematics. Before we begin our class, I will give some instructions to you. Instructions are as follows. All the videos of classes 1 to 12 will be available on school website. You can watch my videos there anytime. Assignments are compulsory for all the students. For mathematics, you have to make 200 pages A4 size single line copy. These are the some general instruction for you. Now I will show you content of your book. First chapter is numbers. In numbers, different things we will learn, like write the given numerals in words, write the numerals in figures, place value, successor or predecessor of given number, increasing or decreasing order of given numerals, estimation of addition, estimation of subtraction, estimation of multiplication, estimation of division. As we know, our topic is numbers. Here some question arises like, what are numbers, what is numeral, what is numeration. First we will start with our topic numbers. In simple language we can say that numbers are set of standard symbols, numerals, that represent quantities. The symbols are written using 10 digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 10 digits we use to write the numbers. Now second question is here, what is numeral? Numeral, that means a single digit or a group of digits representing a number is called numeral. Example is given here, 7, a single number is there, 2 digit number 37, that is numeral, 3 digit number, 4 digit number, like that we can write the any group, any single number or a group of number, that is called numeral. Now the next question is, what is numeration? Numeration is a simple, writing numbers in words is called numeration. Writing number in words is called numeration. In numbers, it is most important to know how to read and write the numbers. We use two systems to read and write the number. That is, first one, Indian system, and second one is international system. When there is a small number, it is easy to write and read. If I will tell you, write 27, easily you can do. But where there are many digits in a number, that is the 7 digit, 8 digit numbers, it confusing to read and write. The number to make reading and writing a large number is there. The digits are broken into periods separated by commas. According to Indian system, to read and write the numbers, we start from the right end of the number. First period is ones period. First period, this one is the first period, is the ones period, consisting ones, tens, hundred. And other period to left of ones period, that is have two each places. Here this one is the first ones, tens, hundred, commas, thousand, 10,000, commas, lakh, 10 lakhs, commas, crores, 10 crores. Example, here 7 digits numbers are given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These numbers are the 7 digit numbers, and what we have to do, first we have to separate the number, first period, that is the 3 number, ones, tens, 100. We have to put the commas, and then 2 digit number each, that is 1000, 10,000, commas, lakh, 10 lakh. Easily you can read the number. This one is the lakh period, 1000 period, and ones period. 74 lakh 56,789. Same way we can easily read the number and write the number, say more than 7 digit, 8 digit, like that. A big number easily we can read and write. Now we will write this number in words, 74 lakhs 56,000 789. In same way, we can write the given numerals in words. 90,932. First here see ones, tens, 100, and here 1000, 10,000. After 3 digit put the commas here. So this one is the ones period and this one is the 1000 periods. So we can easily write here 90,932. Same way here 76,000. After putting this one is the ones period and this one is the 1000 periods. So 1000 periods. So how many thousands are here? 76,000. So we will write 76,180. Same way here this one is the ones period and this one is the 1000 periods. This one, that means 58,151. Here same way 65,839, 9,424, 18,381, 77,124, 45,864, 89,691. And others question, second question is here, write the following numerals in figures. Here in figures you have to write written in words 25,390. What is given? 1000 and here 390 means first ones period is given and second 1000 periods is given here. So ones period, how many digit will be in ones period? 3 digit, 1, 2, 3. So we will write 25 and after then 3 digit is there and here 390, 25,390. Here also 91,000 means 1000 period is given and after then ones period is there. In ones period how many digit will be there? 3 digits. Always remember it. In ones period 3 digit will be there and in 1000 periods 2 digit. After ones period each 2 digit. After each 2 digits you have to put the commas in. And first ones digit is ones, tens, 100 and 1000 digits, thousands and 10,000 will be there. In lakh digits next period is a third periods, lakh digits will be there. Here next question 40,079. 40,000, that means after the 40,000 how many digits will be there? 3 digits will be there. And what number is given here? In ones period 79 only. So we will write 79 and 10 will be there. Same way 89,000 and 72,009. That you have to copy in your note copy.